There's an entire inventory of off-market homes where you can buy directly from sellers, where you're the only person negotiating at the table. How do you think that could help you achieve your dreams? If you've been looking for a home for the last 6 months to 2 years, you are very aware of what's going on. You may have even found homes that you loved, gotten very excited, prepared your offers, only to find out there were multiple offers, probably all cash offers, and that the home was going to sell far over the asking price. Your dreams may have been crushed, and you may be feeling like giving up on hope. Here's the thing. You can get a list or lists of off-market homes and properties so that you can be the only person negotiating on a home before anyone else even knows it's for sale. How could having this list help you? My name is James Ruff. I'm the owner of the James Ruff Group real estate firm. We have these lists, and we can and will provide them to you for free so that you can turn an off-market opportunity into a dream home reality. Do not delay. Call today and get your free list, or click below and request more information. Understand that these homes will only be off-market until they're listed, which means there's a short window of opportunity for you to get in before everyone else knows that it's for sale. Call today. We can help you. You don't have to lose hope. You can get the home of your dreams. Take care.